Nickerson Apartments are located within Nickerson Hall on the west side of campus. They are in close proximity to the multi-purpose building, Todd Dining, and Walton Stadium. These one-bedroom apartments may be taken as a single occupancy or double occupancy if a student chooses to bring in a roommate who also qualifies. Each bedroom is provided with 2 twin XL beds and mattresses, 2 desks and chairs, and a dresser. The bathrooms resemble that of our standard residence hall and include standard tub and shower, toilet, sink, and vanity. Additional shelving is also provided within these apartment bathrooms. The bedroom closets within the bedrooms have an open concept and provide some shelving and provided rods. The living rooms are outfitted with a couch and coffee table that must remain within the apartment. Kitchen amenities include kitchen table with 2 chairs, full-size fridge, sink, and stove with range. The living room space is also provided with additional shelving that students may need.